Welcome back to the grand finals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. A little bit of a query situation here during that last break. That's why we took so long. We do apologize, but we do want to get it right. The scores at this time, St. Jago High are on 27 points, Campion College on 29. Campion College lost a point for their answer to the question that was given. Originally, they said 540 instead of 5,040. The judges heard that and scored it, and so that was incorrect. For St. Jago, I asked them the same question twice. My mistake. So I asked them another question during the break, which they got correct. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is located on which island? Honshu. So with that, we go into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for each correct answer, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question comes from Bible Knowledge. Give the name of the special day in the Christian calendar when Christians celebrate Jesus' entry into Jerusalem. Campion College.
Palm Sunday.
That's right. Biology. Special types of white blood cells which play a major role in the human immune system are called T cells. St. Jago High.
T cells.
Lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes.
Incorrect. What does the T stand for? Thymus. English language. Does the word abstemious mean abundant, moderate, or St. Jago High?
Moderate.
That's right. International affairs. A visual question. Teams, look at the following clip and identify this person, please. St. Jago.
Mike Pompeo.
The nominee for U.S. Secretary of State. Correct. Principles of business. What word, starting with U, describes a firm that buys stocks from a company and resells it to investors? That's an underwriter. Chemistry. An amide functional group consists of a carbonyl group bonded to which element? Campion College.
Nitrogen.
That's right. Music and audio. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song. St. Jago High.
Johnny B. Good.
Johnny B. Good.
By Peter Tosh. Correct. General knowledge. What six-letter word meaning to become smaller is also used to mean a psychiatrist? Campion College.
Shrink.
That's right. Spanish. Give the English equivalent for fulano, zutano, y mengano.
Next.
Okay. You don't need to press if you don't know. Come. Next.
Tom, Dick, and Harry, or everybody. Geography. What is the name of the body of water located between Yemen and Somalia in Campion College?
The Gulf of Aden.
Or the Gulf of Berbera. Correct. Art, a visual one. Teams, look at the following clip and give the name of the Jamaican artist who created this work. Edna Manley. Information technology. What is the term for removing someone from a list of contacts on Facebook so the person may no longer be Campion College?
Unfriending.
That's right. History. Who specifically were called doughboys during World War I?
Next.
American soldiers. Mathematics. If 14 is 35% of a number, then what is the number? Campion College.
40.
Very good. Physics. What is the initial velocity of an object if it is moving 10 meters per second after 2 seconds with a constant acceleration of 4 meters per second? Campion College.
2 meters per second. 2 meters per second.
That's right. Sport or visual one. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. St. Jago High.
Davis.
From Edwin Allen. Correct. Jamaican heritage. What does the word cumbolo? St. Jago.
Close friend.
Correct. French. What does the phrase faire un footing? St. Jago.
To go walking.
To go walking.
No, to go for a run or to go jogging. Theater and cinema. Which actor voices the characters of Gollum in The Lord of the Rings and Caesar in War for the Planet of the Campion College?
Andy Serkis.
That's right. Literature. Who is the author of the poem A Lesson for the St. Jago High?
Derek Walcott.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. Name the city in which the disciples were first called Christian. St. Jago High.
Antioch.
That's right, biology. When oxygen is available, specifically where does Campion College?
Mitochondria.
The mitochondria.
Pyruvate go. Correct. English language. What term beginning with E designates a person after whom a discovery, invention, or place is St. Jago High?
Eponym.
Correct. Local and international affairs. Who serves as the community development and social transformation representative? St. Jago High.
Minister.
Minister?
Yeah.
So,
No one Scott.
Correct. Principles of business. What word starting with A in corporate finance means the combination of several smaller companies? St. Jago.
several
We call that. A conglomeration.
Amortize.
Amalgamation. Chemistry. And that is the end. That is the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be St. Jago High on 39, Campion College victorious on 47.
Celebrate. Can't blame him.
So
Can't
they
blame
were
him.
second in 2014. They were second in 2016.
Yep.
And now in 2018, they are the 14th
Winning
school
right now.
to win Schools Challenge Quiz.
Right. So that list of 13 schools has now become 14 schools. And with that, we bid you farewell tonight.
All right, so we've been kind of asking them to be quiet.
Yes.
That finished. We're not
Nice
trying to make
time.
the noise, though.
John Paul, over to you.
Thank you, Neville and Simone. Welcome back. Our 2018 champions are Campion College. And our runner-up is St. Jago High. We invite the captains to join hands, shake hands, in keeping with the Schools Challenge Quiz tradition. In a well-played match, your final scores are St. Jago High on 39, Campion College on 47. St. Jago High is coached by Romeo J. Lee and Mark Clark, while Campion College is coached by Ainsley Pagan and Randall Campbell. Thank you, coaches. And we now invite Claire Grant, General Manager of Television Jamaica Limited, to present the TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 Champions Trophy to Campion College. On behalf of my seasoned co-hosts, Yvonne Chin Irving and Marlene Stevenson Daly, Neville and Simone, and the entire production team, I'm Jean-Paul Menu, wishing you pleasant viewing.
Congratulations to the TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 winner, Campion College.